Hi, I'm home.
Hi. How was your day?
Busy.
It's 11:30.
Yeah, it got extended. But I said I'll be late.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, have dinner. So this big project of yours, is it almost finished?
Well, I got a lot more coding to do, but we are getting there.
This has been going on for more than 3 months now. It would be just as nice if you were to come back home by 7:38.
My job demands that much time.
So, you think you can leave early on a Friday?
Why? What's happening then?
It's our anniversary.
Oh, sorry. Can't keep track of time these days.
You know, I was thinking of making a reservation at the place where you proposed to me.
What time?
Can you please stop eating with your mouth full?
Sorry.
How about 8?
Sure. I'll be home by 7. Get ready by 7:30 and we'll leave.
What you doing?
Are you going to nitpick how I eat?
Anyway, are you going to leave your plates here? You're not going to help me clean up?
I'm tired. I just came home. Please manage.
Even I work and even I'm tired.
I'm going to bed. Make sure the alarm set at 5.
What time are you going in?
The usual time. But before that, I'll go to the gym.
Since when did you join the gym?
A week ago. Haven't got the time to go.
And when were you going to tell me?
I told you. Now.
What gym is it?
JMD Fitness Center.
Oh, right next to the shopping center.
Yeah.
Hi. I was wondering if you have family membership plans? Great. Actually, my husband joined in a week ago, so I was wondering if I could be added to his plan. Anil Mehta. Yeah. No, Anil Mehta. Oh, okay. Thank you. Wow, he's here already.
Hi,
Sid,
how are you doing? Sorry,
I-
your letters have come once again to my place.
again.
Yeah, I think there's a new guy joined, and you know, our addresses are just one number off, so.
Oh God, this is the third time that
yeah,
it's
I
happened.
know. Yeah. Well, you're looking really nice. Is it a special occasion or something?
Yeah, it's her anniversary.
Wow, congrats. How many years?
2.
Well, I'm really jealous of your husband. Lucky guy. Okay, I'll see you later.
Yeah, bye. Anil, you're not doing this to me. Not tonight. Just not tonight. Not on our anniversary. Quick. Well, it's been a nice anniversary after all. Alone.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know what happened. I just forgot it was tonight. I was caught up in this work. I'm so sorry.
How could you? I reminded you last night.
I was so tired last night. I completely forgot about it this morning. But it's not the end of the world. We can go tomorrow night. Tomorrow again.
No. I'm not gonna waste another night waiting for you. All I do is just wait for you. Wait for you to come back from work. Wait for you to have sex with me.
Shreya, what?
Or are you just busy screwing somebody else?
What are you talking about? I'm sorry.
I don't believe you spend 12 hours working. Not to mention weekends.
But that's what I'm doing. Shreya, I'm sorry.
I think you're having an affair.
What are you talking about? Shreya, that's crazy. You're talking ridiculous.
No. I called the gym and they said you've never been signed up.
That was. Shreya,
Your cell phone was turned off. You never turn it off. And if you were at work, you'd have taken my call. You're lying.
Shreya, no. Shreya, the gym screwed my information. But now I'm in the system. My cell phone dropped out of my pocket. It was lying in the car the whole time. I may have been in the bathroom when you called my office. Shreya? But I don't believe you. You accuse me of cheating you? That's ridiculous.
I've just seen all this with my ex. I fell for like every one of his lame excuse.
Shreya, how?
No. I'm just going to bed.
Shreya, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Happy anniversary, Shreya.
It's a Sunday.
Shreya, what the hell?
Anil, wait! You said you weren't gonna be home till.
Yeah, I came home early. I came early to surprise you. I felt bad the other day. But is this your way of punishing me?
I'm sorry.
I know you're upset with me. But I never thought you had it in you to stoop so low.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I'm not a perfect husband. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that I work hard. I'm sorry that I work hard to support both of us. But that doesn't seem to cut for you. I am sorry that I can't give you pleasure. I'm sorry that I can't give you the pleasure that this poor excuse of a human being can. You thought I'm cheating on you. So you went ahead and got revenge. That's why you went ahead and took revenge. That's the lowest thing someone can ever do. And by the way, for the records, I never had an affair.
But why were you never home then?
I love my job. Is that a crime?
And you don't want to have sex with me.
And you always criticize me. Well, I hope you and this pile of scum that lives next door have a great life. Have a great life together. Hi, my name is Anil and I'm a workaholic. I love working hard. I like to end my day knowing that I made a real accomplishment. But I'm afraid of failure. I was so afraid of failure that I failed in my marriage. So much so that she landed up sleeping with someone else. Looking back, I now realize the fault was actually mine.